This pool is so inviting, Kareem, that...
Watch ya, watch ya.
Yes.
Look at what she's doing for Kareem's quest.
These overwater villas cater to those persons who are looking for something that is luxurious, that wants to be treated like royalty, that's elevated. Welcome to Jamrock. Amazing. So we have 4 water slides here. Of course, there's one that you can go side by side. And then the other 3, they're up. So
Yo, audience, you see that? Right there, so I'll choose the outdoor.
Outdoors. I'm that type of girl as well.
And
you don't have to go to Boro Boro.
True.
You can experience this lifestyle right here in Jamaica, right here at Princess. For Princess Grand Jamaica, we have 590 suites. And then for Princess Senses The Mangrove, we have 415, inclusive of 14 overwater villas. So in total, 1,005 amazing suites here in Green Island, Hanover. And what we tend to find is that in most hotels, you don't get that authentic Jamaican flavor.
Okay.
I must tell you that we have our own jetty on resort. So if you're here and you want to do an excursion, you want to go on a catamaran, you don't have to leave the resort to do that. You can board the catamaran right on resort sail.
All right, but if I drink any of those, right? I'm not charged.
No.
Okay, because listen.
Water, soda, juice, beer.
Kareem's quest. Travel different from the rest. You're watching Kareem's quest. Always an adventure when you're watching Kareem's quest.
Kareem's quest is here at the Princess Resort in Hanover with Kareem. So this is Kareem and this is Kareem. Wagwan.
Medea, welcome Kareem. It's long overdue and finally you're here and you're going to showcase the viewers why they too need to be here.
All right, no problem. So listen, I'll get straight to it now.
Yes.
This is actually what captures my eyes the most. I mean, everywhere have a building, everywhere have rooms, but you have, what is this called? What we're looking at?
Well, I'm going to showcase our 14 overwater villas that we have. So 14 overwater villas with infinity pool. And they are named after our parish capitals. So guess what? This is the only place in Jamaica that you can travel the 14 parishes in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Listen, no, are these the highest in terms of price point?
We do have our 2-bedroom presidential suite, which is state of the art. It has a 2 bedrooms, of course, fully furnished with the opulence feeling, as well as a sky terrace with a wet bar, an infinity pool, and the personalized chef 24/7.
Okay.
So that is our highest point in terms of price.
No. So Kareem, who do these type of villas cater to?
These overwater villas cater to those persons who are looking for something that is luxurious, that wants to be treated like royalty, that elevated experience. So whether it's a romantic getaway, newlyweds, honeymoon, you want to celebrate your 30th, 40th birthday, this is the type of suite category that you like to book.
Okay, then, and I noticed, right? I guess there is a reef or something somewhere because one, the water is shallow and it's calm.
Yes. So it has a harmonious blend in terms of the beauty of the nature that surrounds us, as well as the modern architectural design that you'll get to see.
Ah, got you.
So, Kareem, once I take you into one of these villas, I don't see you leaving here today.
Here, she's hyping it up, right? I mean, this is something that I do notice. And I mean, one of the things that I like about it is that it's a new addition to what we're offering in our hotel packages now, don't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Because I mean, I get to view and review so many different hotels and everywhere can have a room, but to have something like this is coming like it's uniquely, you know what I mean, to appeasing to our Jamaican lovers abroad and locally, right?
Yes. And we have another category, which I know that Serene touched on briefly. We have our pleasure suites, and those are the category rooms that, if you're looking for sensual sophistication, we've set the tone for you with our pleasure suites.
Okay.
So that's another option that they can look at.
So later in the video, I'm going to meet up with Serene, who is another representative, and she's going to start telling us, you know, in terms of what those other rooms are like. But this is the one I want to show you first. So when you're here, right? Do you want to leave and go and get food? Because if I'm here, I don't know if I want to move out that much, right? Do you leave here, sir?
As a guest, if you're staying in the Overwater Villa, of course, you have your platinum service, which includes our platinum lounge area, which you can get breakfast, lunch, and dinner, fine dining, of course.
Okay.
But there are 14 restaurants and 15 bars that you get to experience, including the a la carte restaurants.
And she's going to show us that. She's going to show us that later, all right? So we are now going to go into the rooms, all right? No more anticipation. And remember, you can find more content on my website, kareemsquest.com, and please subscribe, like, and comment. It does a lot for the algorithm in terms of boosting Kareem's Quest social media pages.
You hear it?
Port Antonio, all right.
Are you ready?
Yes. So
Viewers,
big up all
are you
Port
ready?
London.
Kareem, I want you to describe this entrance, this ambience in one word for your viewers. I don't want them to hear it from me. Because next thing they think I'll lie me a tell.
Spectacular, spectacular. I must tell you this. So you are looking, you're looking at the ocean and the rest of the hotel from here, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh my goodness. And then to use these glass walls basically, like that really make you capture the aesthetic of the property.
Yes.
All right, come in, we talk about some things now. So you get your robe.
Well, let me tell you something, Kareem. This is one of our ultra premium suites. So the Overwater Villa. The experience for this villa starts from the moment you arrive at the Sanchez International Airport.
Here the one, yeah.
So from the moment you get there, you experience the Club Mobile, and then you're picked up in a luxury private transfer, and then you get to enjoy the scenic ride
and all
to resort.
All of that is part of the package?
All of that is included in the package.
Is that something where you have to go to your website to do it, or you can do it through third parties?
You can book directly or through a third party.
Do you
still
recommend...
get all the amenities, all the offerings that comes with this villa.
Because you know some hotels recommend you book with them directly if you want to get certain benefits.
We're very supportive of everyone that sells us, whether it's our tour operators or direct business or even very own travel agents.
Here's the sales pitch. So wait, do I take this or do I leave this when I'm going?
Kareem, these you get to experience in the villa and you leave it right here with us. No, the bag. The bag. This is courtesy of Princess Hotels and Resorts Jamaica.
Here shall sell it. It's just... Okay then, all right, this is courtesy. Okay, so you have a little pocket part and you have a beach part there, so.
And of course, we provided beach towels for you.
All right, now, do all the rooms have this glass bottom floor where you're looking down?
No, just the Overwater Villas.
Okay.
All right, so we have that.
No, I get you. All the Overwater
Villas, exactly.
They
have it. Correct.
All right.
All 14 of them.
The AC is really kicking also in the background. So inside here, cool, you might think that, okay, but you're out there in the sun and whatever, but the roof is elevated like an A shape, and there is an AC that is constantly flowing, so that's very nice. And you have also your little snack bar here.
Yes, all Caribbean items.
All Caribbean items. And your chocolate.
Of course, or for your shared chocolate.
All right, nice.
So from the moment you arrive, your butler will greet you and you will do the in-villa check-in. So with this Overwater Villa, 24-hour butler service.
Okay.
So you're fully catered to. Room service 24 hours as well. And
that's complimentary?
That's all complimentary, all parts of the ultra luxury experience. So
for me, this is definitely a romantic type thing, right? This is definitely for couples, and just the layout and just how intimate it is. And if you like that natural feeling, but with a sense of sophistication, then this is it, right?
This is it. And the beauty about it is that we have personalized the experience for you, curate the experience. So from the moment you arrive, you can choose your alcoholic beverage, your premium alcoholic beverage, and they will have it stocked for you and replenished on a daily basis. You also get to receive massage, so you can book that with your butler, and you get a private candlelight dinner. You can choose to do that on the beach, or of course your expansive terrace overlooking the ocean.
Come on, go up on the terrace, go see what the terrace look like. So Kareem, how many years say nothing?
Kareem, right now you're disturbing my peace.
Whatcha?
I'm in a tranquil moment. This is what the Overwater Villa does.
Yeah, for real, for real. It really looks nice. All right, so you're talking about, now you say you have your private candlelight dinner. So you would have it right here?
Yes. So
Oh,
we
cool.
will set up a private candlelight dinner, which is part of your all-inclusive elevated experience. And if you prefer to be on the beach, the butlers will take care of that for you. So it's
Oh.
all about that curated experience.
No, you have your pool that you can actually just come and relax in. Close to the pool right here, so you can relax in this pool, right?
This pool is so inviting, Kareem, that
Watch ya, watch ya.
Yes.
Look at what she's doing for Kareem's quest.
this pool is so inviting
Yes.
that I have to show my viewers
Oh my
how
gosh.
magnificent this is. Of course, this is a life that we should be living.
Don't it?
So of course you have your infinity pool, and then you have the staircase that gives you a direct access to the ocean. So you can do the snorkeling if you enjoy doing that.
And the paddle boat and so forth, right?
Yes. I must tell you that we have our own jetty on resort. So if you're here and you want to do an excursion, you want to go on a catamaran, you don't have to leave the resort to do that. You can board the catamaran right on resort, sail off, and come back.
Oh,
and enjoy
nice.
the magnificent sunset. That's a popular excursion here as well.
Yeah, because I saw, no, we are on the western end of Jamaica, and the western end of Jamaica has the most beautiful sunset. So when you're here, I actually saw it and it really looks good. So let me just show you, let me just step down a little bit. Right, she just touched on me, you know, the one where I go look on the water and look on the seaweed and everything like that. No, Kareem's Quest is not going to jump in if that's what the viewers were thinking. However, the water is quite shallow. So if you go in this, don't worry if you're not a swimmer. None of this seems to pass 4 feet. All right, it's a really lovely experience. You see, me never have to take off all my socks and them stuff there, right? I'm gonna do it.
So
Yo, audience, you see that? You see what I'm trying to talk about? You see the things that Kareem's Quest has to go through? So listen, please continue to subscribe and support the project. Please share it with as many people as possible. Kareem, this one is nice. The next thing I want to look at the bathroom part.
yes,
now.
let me take you there.
Come and go to the bathroom. All right. All right, so we are going to the bathroom now.
Yes, Kareem. We are going to look at 3 types of experiences in this overwater villa. So tell me something. I'm putting you on the spot now. What type of showers do you like? Outdoor, indoors, or you prefer a soaking tub?
So I was a little bit mischievous as a child. Now, as long as nobody can see me through the outdoor part, because if I was a child, I'd use the jet ski, the man, them like a canoe there and start to paddle around. But I realized that that can't happen right there. So I'll choose the outdoor.
Outdoors. I'm that type of girl as well.
So there is a little window. Where
Yes. And as you can see, it's open roof, rain shower. So this is your outdoor experience.
And if it's raining, you can actually get the real rain shower.
Yes.
It's a nice view to go on.
Full panoramic view.
Yeah, don't it? All
As you
right.
can see, the water is turquoise and you get to enjoy all this open concept.
The soap up yourself. All right, come on, go on inside to the tub part now.
And then for those viewers that are not like Kareem and you want more privacy, you have your indoor shower to enjoy.
Don't it? So you have the rain shower indoor.
Kareem, you think everybody will like you?
So I like my outdoor things, all right? I mean, it feels nice, but it gives you the option. And then you have your tub. And listen, Kareem, I'm guilty of this, right? I love looking at tubs, but I don't use them when I go to hotel. You use them?
Of course. Don't worry. Come right, sit right in here, Kareem. Sit right in here.
All right then. Okay then, let's
Because after today, it's only Overwater Villa that you'll be booking.
All right, Kareem's Quest.
Kareem,
All right, so you see?
picture looking outside, a picturesque view.
So you know what this means now? I'm going to have to be working twice as hard, right? Because I need to make sure that I'm experiencing this type of lifestyle, good. And also, I'll encourage people, you work hard for your money, right? We're only on this earth for a short time. Make sure that you enjoy it.
I agree with you.
Don't
It's an
it?
experience that you want to indulge in.
And then you get that feeling of privacy, even though you can see everything that's happening.
And
but
you don't have to go to Bora Bora.
true.
You can experience this lifestyle right here in Jamaica, right here at Princess.
You're the one, man. You always have to push Princess, eh?
Of course. Kareem, why do you need to fly across the world when you have this experience here?
True, true.
Think about it.
Lovely experience in Jamaica.
Yes.
All right.
Jamaica has it.
Well, go on, everybody. If you're enjoying my videos on Kareem's Quest, I've got even more great content for you. So be sure to subscribe to my channel for new episodes.
And if you want to find some of the best hotels, restaurants, and hidden gems in Jamaica, check out my website, kareemsquest.com. I also curate tours and do itineraries, so feel free to email me at any time.
I'm here with Serene. Serene, I haven't gotten a chance to really learn about the property that much, right? How many rooms are we looking at in total?
All right, so for Princess Grand Jamaica, we have 590 suites. And then for Princess Senses The Mangrove, we have 415, inclusive of 14 overwater villas. So in total, 1,005 amazing suites here in Green Island, Hanover.
Okay then. Yeah, Green Island, Hanover. We haven't pointed that out because a lot of places are in like Montego Bay and Ocho Rios.
Yes, I mean, you know, it was a very untapped market, a very untapped location. And we thought, why not bring something brand new to this side of the island, something that's never been here before in Green Island. And of course, 2 amazing 5-star luxury beachfront properties. It doesn't get any better than that.
Behind me, well, this is the beach area for the adults, right?
This is actually the family side of the resort. So where we are standing currently is Princess Grand Jamaica, which is our family-friendly resort.
Okay. So, and we're going to be stepping across that border soon, right?
Yes, absolutely.
There's like an invisible border that separates the 2 properties, but they're on the same.
Yes, so we're on the same location, separated by 1 central building. And that's really what separates the 2 resorts.
Ah, there you go. So over there, it's like basically where the families go and they play and they hang out and everything like that.
Yes, this is the beach area for the family side. I mean, there's so many activities available. Of course, we have beach volleyball. We have our water sports, which is scuba Kareems. So they offer both motorized and non-motorized water sporting activities.
Motorized cost though.
Yes, absolutely. There is a fee for motorized activities.
See, Kareem's Quest, make sure someone find out all the little hidden things, you know, right?
But of course, the non-motorized is just as fun, and those are a part of the package.
Because I see the paddle boats.
They have paddle boats. They also have the sailboat. So there's a lot of options for a guest, especially when it comes to water activities.
Ah, okay then, no problem. And what are some of the other, like, if you want to stay fit and so forth like that?
All right, so I mean, at Princess Grand Jamaica, we really focus on multi-generational fun. So whether you're 90 years old, 19 years old, or 9 years old, there's always something for you to do here at Princess Grand Jamaica. So for our kids, we have the amazing water park.
Wait, we soon show them that. We're not show them that yet.
Oh, giving them too much. Tell them
too much. Tell me just more the adults, them, right?
All right.
Because we're going to carry you to their kids' water park, which is very lovely, and the play area.
Absolutely. All right. So for our adults, we of course have the amazing beach area where they can sit down, lounge around, soak in the sun. We also have our virtual reality area, which is our gaming area or e-zone area, which offers a lot of fun. Of course, traditional gaming, but also virtual reality for persons 13 years and older. And then on top of that, we also have a multi-purpose court.
Yes.
So they can do baseball, basketball, pickleball, and even archery.
So, archery.
Yes.
Why the addition of archery?
I mean, it's something that's very fun. It's something unique. And that is one of the things that we want to bring across to our guests, that there are different unique experiences that are available to them. Archery is not something that's very common here in Jamaica. So, of course, we want to give our guests that option. Absolutely.
And how many people do you employ?
We employ 900 persons, and we're actually going to 1,500 employees.
And I noticed you want to put up a building zone for your employees because...
Absolutely. We do have staff accommodation for our employees. I mean, you know, coming from this location, it's not easy to have all of our employees based here. So, of course, what we wanted to do at Princess is to ensure that our employees are safe, comfortable, and close to work. So all of the persons who are hired outside of this area, we do have the ability to offer them, of course, staff accommodation for them to feel safe and comfortable.
Okay. All right. That's a good addition.
Happy staff, happy guests.
Yeah, because, I mean, you know, that has been some concern for many Jamaican staffers in terms of, you know, how the hotels treat them.
Correct.
And so, I mean, I have to still address these things on my platform because at the end of the day, I want to give you a fair representation of Jamaica. So, you know, kudos to you and the management team for even thinking about that, right?
Absolutely. That is very important to us as management and also to our owner to make sure that the employees are happy, because we are the dream team. And as a member of the dream team, it's really a good feeling to know that not just managers care, but even the owners care. And that means a lot to us.
All right. Now we're in, what is this room called?
It's the pleasure suite.
Listen, it's like a love room. So tell me now, what are the unique features of a pleasure suite?
All right, so for our pleasure suite, we have an amazing O-shaped bed. We have O-shaped mirror adorned on the ceiling.
Oh, on the ceiling.
Absolutely.
What would something like that be for though? Why would you put like a mirror on the ceiling? Kareem's Quest wants to find out all of these things, right? Because some things Kareem's Quest just doesn't know.
You know,
and if you know, you can write it in the comment section as well.
Well, let me tell you a little bit about our pleasure suite.
Yes.
All right. It's all about sensual sophistication.
Sensual sophistication.
So when you think about sensual sophistication, you want to get in touch with all of your senses, all 5 senses, which includes your touch, your taste, your sight.
Okay.
Now, of course, with mirrors, you have a lot to see.
All right. And they give you a care package as well, all right? So you do get a care package.
Yes, so we do have a pleasure kit as well. And along with this suite category, once you book this suite category, you will also have the O Club experience, all right? So with the O Club experience, you have gastronomic delights, you have mixology classes, you have dancehall classes, you have hookah sensation. So again, it's really getting in touch with your touch, your smell, your taste, all the above.
And clearly, you're going to have a little tub. You have your tub right
Yes,
here.
of course. We have our signature soaking tub on the inside, and we have our hydrotherapy tub on the balcony as well.
Now, let me ask you, what is like that category in terms of like price point now for this one? Would it be the highest, most expensive?
No.
Really?
No. Actually, our most expensive would obviously be our presidential suite or Overwater Villas.
Oh, gotcha.
Yes. So we have a few premium suite categories.
Before this one. Okay, so this one is...
This one is in the middle.
Ah.
Yes. Because then we also have our platinum suite category. Now with the platinum suite category, that is an upgraded experience which includes butler service, concierge service. But this suite really focuses on persons who really want to have an engaging experience.
All right. So you know all those little terms about engaging experience, right? But Kareem's Quest is learning, and so are you. So we're going to look at the... And is this tub or jacuzzi bigger than the regular ones, or is it same size? Because I've not seen any of them before.
Listen, this can hold a lot of people.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
But each suite it's really equipped for 2.
Ah, there you go.
Okay, no, just putting that out there. But this is really a tub where you can get comfortable, and again, nothing beats this view.
All right, cool. Thank you so much. This one is a lovely one. Serene, what is the name of this room?
Well, welcome to our Princess Junior Suite.
Okay.
All right.
Is this like an entry-level room?
Yes, this is one of our entry-level room categories. Of course, for our suites, we either have a king bed or 2 queen beds. But I mean, it's pretty much the same in terms of the decor. It's really pristine, really clean. Of course, you have your
shower with your
shower, yes.
Your
rain shower. His and hers.
Faucets.
Correct.
And that's nice because I always say this, right? Like, women don't like to necessarily share faucets. I don't want to sound sexist, but it's true. Like, so you have to give the women one faucet to themselves, right?
We like a lot of space.
Yeah.
Let's just say that.
So you see the part that has more space to it, that's the woman's side, all right? So
Yes,
if you come here with your wife, you just know that.
The left side is for her.
Yes.
So she can put all of her
And
makeup,
all of her
toiletries, you know.
And like a small little section right there, so like this, that's for us, all right? So now we have a nice layout. Now, what if you come with your kids? Is there a different layout that you could get?
Yes, absolutely. Okay. So, of course, if you come with kids, we have boat-shaped bunk bed family suites. So that actually has bunk beds inside of the suite, and they're shaped like a boat. And so, of course, you know, they have an amazing ocean view.
That's
and they
nice.
Get to relax in their boats. And we have different types of suites as well. We have connecting suites, and again, suites that come with 2 queen beds. So it's really built for the family experience.
Serene, you said something to me earlier. You said that you don't have rooms, you have suites?
Suites, absolutely.
Yeah?
Yes.
Explain that to me. So everything is like everything has like a bedroom and like a living room area?
Bedroom, living room, and a view. Correct.
Okay.
We are an ocean-facing property, so every suite faces the ocean. And actually faces the ocean, not like peep your head around the corner, look over the balcony and hope kind of face the ocean. Everything has an amazing view of the ocean. We're located on a peninsula, so pretty views all around.
Yeah, I mean, this is called Green Island, right?
Yeah.
In Hanover, Jamaica. And Hanover is a beautiful place. So what are some of the standard amenities that would come with a room like this?
Well, of course, we have the regular toiletries within the suite. Of course, you have your towels. Of course, you have the rain shower. And I mean, of course, you have your...
You have a coffee machine, right?
Correct. So you have your coffee station. We also have our mini bar area. We have a fridge on the inside as well.
No, I ask you this about mini bar, you know. What comes with it and what you have to pay extra
what
for?
is stocked inside of our mini bar? You have water, you have juice, and you have sodas.
Okay.
All right. So that is the standard. And then, of course, you can always add other things.
All right. But if I drink any of those, right? I'm not charged.
No.
Okay. Because listen.
Water, soda, juice, beer.
Kareem's Quest don't want when you check out them just this long sheet of paper come to you. I said, oh, Mr. LaTouche here, right? So I have to ask her these questions, good? And you have a nice living room here. You have a 55-inch TV screen.
Correct.
And what we are looking out and we're seeing the pool area. Now, this is the more active side. So you do see a lot of activities over here.
Correct.
So, and that's something that I kind of prefer still. If you like your quietness and, you know, your serenity, right? You go to the couples section over there. So, but this is a nice section here, and the view is really lovely. You get to see some of the buildings, but you also get to see that pool section, and the kiddie section is also close by.
Correct.
All right. So this is another. What's the name of this one?
This is our Princess Junior Suite.
Princess. So this is the entry level one for us.
Yes.
Oh, there's a kids kitchen.
For our kids.
What type of meal is any meal cooking today?
I leave that to you. I only cook on Sundays.
All right. Oh, complimentary, so you don't have to pay.
Correct.
Because that's what I'm trying to figure out now, the not pay part. Good.
Kareem's Quest.
Now we're heading to the most active part, which is the water area, right?
Yes, this is our Wild Princess Water Park.
Wild Princess Water Park.
This is where all the fun and excitement happens. This is not just for the kids, it's also for the kids at heart.
Ah, there you go. So this park should be like packed from early in the morning.
Absolutely. Now all the water fun starts at 10 a.m. All the slides are turned on. Now we have so many different options depending on the needs of our guests. So we have the splash pad over here. Now this is for the kids that are not so good at swimming, but also want to enjoy that little water fun. Then we have, of course, on this side, we have the kiddie slide, as well as the kiddies trampoline. Now this is really where the kids can really get crazy, get wild. But again, it's not so deep, so still safe enough for them. And then we have four amazing...
Hold on, because when I was a child, I'd have loved to have a slide like that.
I know,
so
right?
That's for the little kids, the younger ones, right?
Yes, so this is for the younger kids. It has, of course, 2 different slide options, but it also has the tipping buckets at the top. So again, it's just water fun in every angle and every direction.
And as you get older now, well, I know adults try this.
This is definitely for adults as well. Absolutely.
See?
It's amazing. So we have 4 water slides here. Of course, there's one that you can go side by side. And then the other 3, they're of different shape and different experience. So of course, the adults enjoy that one as well.
Yeah, right? Now I noticed that you have like cabanas, secret cabanas where it's like privacy.
Yes, we have cabanas located in this area for our guests to relax, lounge around. So again, if you don't want to get wet, you can still relax and watch the kids have fun.
Ah, how close is your food station to here? Because that's something what people want to know. They might get hungry.
Of course, because if you're in the sun and you're playing a lot, obviously you're going to want some food. We have 2 food trucks right at the entrance. So again, there's so many options. Of course, you can get your burgers, your patties, your jerk chicken. So of course, you're right where the fun is and you don't have to go very far for a quick grab and go meal.
Now that we're on the topic of kids, do you guys have like a kid area?
We have a kids club, which I'll be happy to show you.
All right, come and go check out the kids club then. All right. Have you ever tried this?
I have.
Really?
Yes.
How was it?
Amazing.
Listen, at every hotel they must have a rule. You see, all the managers them, they must try all the kiddies part them. That's what my rule would be, all right? I would video it.
It was great.
It was great, good. So, tell me about this kids club.
So this is a very special area. This is our kids club, and it's a 7-zone gaming area.
Oh,
so
really?
pretty much what that means is there's 7 different zones or activities that is available to our kids once they come inside of our kids club.
Well, go on, everybody. If you're enjoying my videos on Kareem's Quest, I've got even more great content for you. So be sure to subscribe to my channel for new episodes. And if you want to find some of the best hotels, restaurants, and hidden gems in Jamaica, check out my website, kareemsquest.com.
Now this is the gaming area where people can come and they can play Xbox. They can sit down in the little nooks, relax, read. They can play, of course, foosball. And of course, they have the little kids kitchen. So there's a lot of options.
Oh, there's a kids kitchen.
For our kids.
What type of meal is any meal cooking today?
I leave that to you. I only cook on Sundays.
All right. Nothing is being cooked today. So is this a cinema that I'm looking at?
Yes, so we have a cinema, of course, where kids can go in, relax, watch a movie. We also have a painting area.
So they can come
in, they can paint, they can do their arts and crafts.
And this is a cooking
and
area?
And this is also an area where they can make their bakes. So they can bake cookies, bake muffins.
Oh, what you said to me?
Yes, and of course, my favorite thing is the design. I mean, I wish I had a little fridge like this, right?
Yeah, this is nice.
So cute.
This is retro.
So cute.
Oh, wow. And they have pre-prepared stuff there. So the kids can, start to make and bake different things.
Yes.
All right, we're good. Now let us continue to go. Show me some of the other stations, let me see what's happening.
So along with that, we also have our mini stage over here for our kids.
Wow, this is good.
So of course, they can put on their own show. So this is the stage area, this is the seating area. And then of course, if you have a main stage, you have to have backstage as well.
Serene, did you do any plays as a child going to school?
I did.
Really?
Yes.
You remember any of them?
Absolutely not.
Were they any good? Are people boo?
My parents love this, and that's all that matters.
See, the parental support. That means that she might get booed, right? Because when mommy and daddy say hi and cheer you on, might mean that somebody is not cheering on. But this is so nice. So this brings out their artistic sense.
Exactly. So again, there's so many activities throughout the day for the kids. And then it's right beside the water park. So of course we have the water activities available to them as well. We have an amazing kids club team that will also keep the kids entertained. And along with that, we also have an outdoor area for kids to go and play.
Oh, okay. Let's take a glimpse at the outdoor. Well, we can just glimpse it through here.
Yes.
See, so, because our tropical sun right now, let me tell you this, it is very hot.
It's sunning.
Yeah, so Kareem's Quest is not necessarily trying to go outside, but if you look outside, you'll see it. They're the well-manicured lawn, and they have seats and, colorful objects placed out. Have you ever played this game before? I've never played this game before.
I have. I'm not very good at it.
Yeah, neither am I, right? I've never played it before. All right, so let us go. Let us continue. I think there are probably about 2 stations that we did not check. So let us check those 2 stations and see what's happening.
Yes.
All right. This is a nice area, though. Nice kids area.
Absolutely. It's definitely one of a kind.
Yeah.
And again, there's so many options for our kids.
Let's look at arts and craft. Let me see arts and craft
area.
Yeah. All right. This was something that I liked going to school. Arts and craft.
Yes.
So you see, while I may not do plays like you, and I can't say I did great arts and craft, but I did good arts and craft. So this is Jamaican themed arts and craft.
Yes, so the kids really get in touch with their creative side.
It's a caterpillar.
Yes.
Used it from, this is the egg crate.
The egg crate.
Yeah.
Of course. And I think these are little instruments.
Rasta inspired.
Yes.
All right. Oh, this is a nice one. Look on this one.
Oh, adorable.
Yeah. Kids them can do something good. So this is a space. This is your art and craft space. All right. So I'm trying to take you to as many places throughout this hotel and this property as possible so that you can get a good feel of it in terms of what it has to offer.
And we have a lot.
Hear this one. Constant salesperson. All right, so this is inside the spa area.
Absolutely. I mean, this is a place of tranquility, a place where guests really get to just unwind and relax.
Okay.
So this is the Spa Princess. Now at Spa Princess, we have a beauty salon.
Okay.
So guests can do manicures, pedicures. They can do
Oh,
their
wow,
hair.
there are a lot of stations here.
Yes, they can do their makeup. They can get the full workup. I mean, you know, they get pampered and taken care of.
And I can imagine you have a lot of weddings too, right?
Absolutely. I mean, we have an amazing Dream Island that hosts a lot of weddings. We also have an amazing convention center. So, of course, our brides, our bridesmaids, everybody comes here and gets dolled up.
Let me ask you, what do you think of somebody doing their wedding independently or like just going to a hotel and having the hotel do it?
I feel that at the hotel, one, we have an amazing team. I mean, we have wedding planners, we have wedding concierge. We have, of course, our preferred vendors that do the whole setup. And so you have not just the expertise of a team, which is very important, especially for a bride or a bridezilla.
You can't tell what type of bride she's going to be, though. She can't do the bridezilla.
So, you have that, but then you have the amazing hardware. And with that, you will have, of course, the option to have, you know, those private dinners, those bachelorette events.
Let me ask you, what about if outsiders wanted to come and you're inviting outsiders?
Absolutely, we do have the option for the guests to not have to stay on property, but we'll have access for that special day.
All right, see, I found out some good information for you. So this is where you can get your hair and nail salon, right?
Yes, this is the salon.
Where else you want to carry me now?
Well, we have 10 amazing spa cabins,
all right, so
which I'm going to show you. Absolutely.
All right, let's go.
All right, so this is spa cabin number 4. So at Princess Senses The Mangrove, we have a total of 12 spa cabins.
That's a lot.
Yes, and this one is a very unique one. This is our couples spa cabin. So of course, you and your significant other can have your spa treatments at the same time with each other. And then of course, in this spa cabin, there is also a jacuzzi. So
how long would like a spa session last? Would it be like over 40 minutes?
We do have spa sessions that can go from 30 minutes to 50 minutes to an hour and 30 minutes, depending on the spa service that, you know, our guests would like to book.
And with so many cabins, I mean, then you won't necessarily have a long wait time.
Correct.
But you have to book in advance, right? You have to.
That is preferred, absolutely.
No, not necessarily walk in.
No, we try not to.
All right, sounds good then.
So this is our hydrotherapy access area. Now over at this area, we have our hot plunge pool. We have our steam room, our sauna. We have cold plunge
You go too
pool.
fast for me, man. You go.
Oh
no,
my gosh.
Hot plunge pool.
Correct.
Right? So
yes.
You sit down in this?
Yeah, man. You sit down in it. You take it all in. It's at a nice, warm, climatized temperature for you.
Right.
We have our steam and sauna rooms right here.
Okay, these are... Okay.
Yes. And then we have the cold.
So this is like some athletic stuff, all right? Yes.
Absolutely. You know, it's really good for the muscles.
All right. Then
you
have
take
your
a swim?
No, I'll pass.
No?
She'll set the example first for the Kareem's Quest. And then Kareem's Quest, we will follow, all right? And then you put your water bottles out there first. Yo, we can't bother with her, right? You put your water bottles and your towels there, right?
Absolutely.
All right, good.
And along with that, we also have our heated seating area as well. So quite relaxing, quite zen.
Yes,
I mean,
it's warm.
Yes. And this is just the perfect way to end a spa experience.
So in the spa package, all of this comes with it?
Yes, once you book a service here at the spa, you have access to the hydrotherapy area complimentary.
Okay, then. Complimentary, so you don't have to pay?
Correct.
Because that's what I'm trying to figure out now, the not pay part. Good. So yeah, you can get Once you book, this is complimentary.
Yes, once you book a service, it's complimentary. Now, let's say you are not going to do a service, but you still want access to the hydrotherapy area, then that will come at a cost.
Ah, okay, gotcha. There you go. See, Kareem's Quest always trying to find out stuff. And the final thing, let's go. There's one thing that you wanted to show me. Finally, there's a circuit that you have.
Yes, so this is the hydrotherapy circuit, all right?
Okay.
Now, this one is filled with our jetted tubs.
Okay, then. And you come here, so then you go there, so?
Yes, so you have jetted tubs here where you're seating. There are also jetted waterfall area over there.
Okay.
And then, of course, with all of that, you can't beat this view.
True, don't it? Yes. All right, this is a lot to take in, and I appreciate it. We did all the rooms. You almost threw me off in the water, right? Now we have for food. We have to put some energy. How many restaurants we're talking about?
So here at Princess Hotels and Resorts, we do have 14 restaurants, okay? So you have the 3 buffets to include the beachfront buffet. And then on this Gastronomy Avenue on the 2nd floor, we have 8 a la carte restaurants.
Okay.
So you're talking about 4 on Grand Jamaica, which is our family resort, and they're kids friendly. And then you have the 4 on the adults only Princess Senses The Mangrove.
So on the ground floor are the buffets.
Yes.
Right, one on both
One
sides.
for Grand Jamaica, and then right next to that.
And
you'll
then
have
above it
Senses.
now.
Or 8 a la carte.
All right, nice. All right, so come we start with the first one, the Italian one, right? What is that like? Because I recognize that I took a little trips, I realized that all your restaurants kind of have different themes.
Yes. So with the Italian restaurants, of course, once you step inside, you literally feel like you're in Italy.
Oh.
So from the dining experience, the ambience to include the music, the menu, the way how they greet you.
Oh.
Yes.
Really nice. So for the Mexican restaurant, right? What do you like the most about that one? What should we look out for?
What I like about the Mexican restaurant is the fact that you have a customized taco bar. So based on your taste, preference, and palate, you can customize your taco just for yourself.
Oh.
And you rarely find that in Mexican restaurants.
All right, nice. Okay, then what's the next restaurant that we're talking about on your strip? And let me ask you, if it is raining heavily, can we get access to the restaurants?
Kareem, if there is liquid sunshine, as we like to call it in Jamaica, you can move from point A to point B. All 9 buildings are interconnecting.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so you can walk and get shade.
You can leave your suite and go to the entertainment life, enjoy the ambience, go to the 24-hour coffee shop, go to the buffet, because the buffet is also open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or the a la carte experience for the dinner.
All right, so what about the Jam Rock restaurant? Whoa, must try.
Welcome to Jamrock.
Whoa, we tried this now.
I love my Jamaican food.
All right.
All right. My favorite is the jerk chicken. And what we tend to find is that in most hotels, you don't get that authentic Jamaican flavor.
Okay.
So when it comes down to our Jamaican restaurants, we want that authenticity. So when it comes down to the local ingredients, supporting our local farmers, we incorporate that in every single cuisine that we serve. So from the snapper, the oxtail, the curry goat, and the jerk chicken with the Scotch bonnet pepper.
All right, then. I know what. I tried the oxtail. All right. So the fusion restaurant now, what is that about?
So we're still on the Grand Jamaica side, and our Asian fusion restaurant covers the fusion cuisines.
Okay.
And what we need to highlight about our resort is that we have specialty chefs.
Okay.
So they're traveling from Nepal, and he oversees our Asian restaurants. We have chefs from Mexico, from Argentina, and our executive chef is from France. And he oversees entire operations.
Okay.
Fun fact, he was a master chef for the late Prime Minister Edward Seaga.
All right. Okay, then. Cool.
Yes.
So you have your full experience right here. So those who are on the family side, so to speak, you have access to all of this.
Yes,
No.
all 4 of them.
Now we're crossing a borderline to Princess Senses The Mangrove, and this is for the persons now on the adult section of it now, right?
And you notice, Kareem, we're crossing over, we're entering into different countries, and we don't need a passport.
No, we don't need a
So
passport.
we're traveling around the world without a passport.
So the first one that we have now, you talk about the Roberts Flame, you always, is this the steakhouse where you say I must keep trying?
Yes, Robert's Flame is our steakhouse. And this restaurant is in honor of our owner, Mr. Robert Cabrera.
Oh.
I will tell you, it's an opulent feeling atmosphere once you're dining. The seating arrangement is quite intimate.
True. Wait, no, I notice you have this little room. Like it's a executive room or what type of room is that?
It's one of our VIP lounge areas.
Okay.
So if you're having that private dining experience with up to 10 persons and you want to select from our premium menus, you can actually book that area.
All right.
So when you talk about how they prepare the steak, they use charcoal.
Oh.
So that smoky flavor, it appeals to your taste buds.
All right
I
then.
will tell you that my favorite...
But no, I just show it for the whole time, you know. Listen, from we have been in communication, she has been pushing one restaurant. So if you come to this hotel, you must try this restaurant.
Yes,
tell everybody,
Kareem.
say Kareem, tell you that.
You have to try this restaurant, and our tomahawk is the best. It's so soft, juicy. Every single word that you can think of with the golden roasted potatoes and our market vegetables.
Yeah. Nice?
So the Pearl restaurant is also one of my favorites. It's the seafood restaurant, the Chilean sea bass. It melts in your mouth.
Really?
You're talking, yes. And I want you to experience it before you go and tell your viewers if I was right or not. Okay?
All right, my
so
people.
with our a la carte restaurant, what I like as well is that you have the dining experience on the inside as well as on the outside. And in between each of our a la carte restaurants, you have a bar. So you can lounge before going to dinner or after dinner.
And let me tell you why I like that, Kareem. Because sometimes the restaurants have a seating capacity. And if you've ever been to any restaurant before, you have a waiting period most of the time. So you have a bar station as the waiting period, which was very intuitive, right?
Of course.
Yeah, it's a very intuitive
The
thing.
layout of this property was carefully thought through. So persons get to enjoy all of that ambience.
So, do your restaurants require reservation?
Of the 8 a la carte restaurants, only one requires reservation, and that would be our Ka Tepanaki.
Okay.
And you can book that prior to coming or while you're on resort with our concierge service.
Okay, then, all right. So, is there anything that we left out?
Kareem, once you go on vacation, it's a mixture of relaxation as well as the nightlife. And Princess does deliver on that. So
Okay.
I'm a girl and I like to have fun.
All right.
So after I go to the piano bar on Senses and enjoy that entertainment, then I want to end in the Illusion nightclub.
Okay,
And
then.
that's where the DJ party atmosphere ends.
How long does that last for? What time does it cut off?
That goes up until 2 a.m. from 11 p.m. to 2 a.m.
All right, all right. So if you want to listen to some of the hottest music, then like, do you have theme nights or anything like that?
Yes, we do have theme nights. So there's some nights that will have like the Jamaican theme nights on the beach. And then we have Appealing to the Senses. That's more for the O Club experience.
Okay.
Those that book the Pleasure Suite. And then for the general guests, then they get to enjoy the Illusion nightclub.
All right. Thank you so much for all that information. Let's go and take in this view.
And for those that are staying on the family side, you have the outdoor theater that you get to enjoy the shows that they offer, from the Bob Marley tribute,
Okay.
the Michael Jackson show, enjoy the steel band. And then after that, you can go to the sports bar. The sports bar, they'll have like karaoke.
Yeah.
Can you sing?
So
No, don't even think about it.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
a no for you. That's a no.
if
That's
you
a
want
no.
people booyah and you want, you know what? I'm the person you put on when you want everybody to go home.
Oh my God.
You see why when you're sending to
No,
take a cue?
when we want persons to go home, in Jamaica, we play Party Done. Party Done.
Yeah.
Party
That's true.
Done.
That's true. But that's it. All right. Thank you so much for all that information.
Well, Kareem, it was a pleasure having you. And I'm pretty sure that you'll enjoy the rest of the stay with us. And you too can give the viewers the experience.
All right. Jamaica has so many beautiful things to offer to this world. And I'm so happy that I get to visit these places, and I'm in Hanover. Hanover is a parish that I always wanted to visit special places, all right? Because I've done Portland, St. Thomas, Westmoreland, but never Hanover that much, all right? this was another lovely review for me. Remember, you can go to my website, kareemsquest.com, where you can read my review of this property. It's Princess Hotel, and it's specifically located at Green Island. And you can read about other great places that I've visited. As usual, you're always welcome to join the quest.